A very warm welcome to the broadcast. Our socials at KBC Channel 1 on X, Facebook and YouTube. Our sign language expert tonight is Anne Wangeshi. I am Kipchumba Odem. My colleague Tom Boyer is away tonight. Looking forward to see him tomorrow, inshallah. And we begin this broadcast with our lead story. The Director of Public Prosecutions has defended the decision to prefer terrorism charges on suspects arrested for torching and looting public installations during the June and July protests. ODPP saying the charges under the Prevention of Terrorism Act should be understood within the framework of established legal thresholds and national security imperatives rather than interpreted as efforts to suppress legitimate political expression, sentiments supported by Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen. This story begins our coverage tonight by Giverson Maina.
The Director of Public Prosecutions on Monday responded to the criticism by opposition leaders and the civil society organizations that terrorism laws were being used to settle political scores and silence dissenting voices of Kenyans seeking good governance. In a statement, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions noted it had acknowledged the ongoing national discourse sparked by recent legal actions following the protests of 25th June 2025 and 7 July 2025. ODPP saying the charges under the Prevention of Terrorism Act should be understood within its context and not mere face value of seeking to achieve political ends. ODPP further noted that preliminary investigations indicate that attacks on public offices was aimed to cripple essential government operations and still fear erode public trust in democratic institutions. Justifying the charges, ODPP also quoted Chief Justice Murkomen remarks describing torching of Kikuyu law courts as not merely an act perpetrated by criminal elements, but an act of terrorism.
In our law and in our practice, and we must address that gap so that this right to picket, to assemble, to demonstrate is not taken advantage of by criminal elements. It's not taken advantage of by terrorists.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen said those lamenting should read the law.
I want all the people who are challenging DCI and DPP about why we have charged those people under the Act, Anti-Terrorism Act, to show me if they have read the definition of what is terror and what is terrorism. And then challenge us if that is not the right section too.
Murkomen adding that the government will go for all those who cause chaos, including their financiers. Tens of views linked to destruction of property during Sabasaba protests are now facing terrorism charges. Giverson Maina, Prime Edition.